Hey there, fellow travelers! Planning a trip to Spain from Pakistan? Let me guide you through the whole visa process. Grab a cup of tea, sit back, and let's dive in. You'll need to determine the type of visa you need. If you're going for tourism or a short stay, you'll need a Schengen visa. For long-term stays like studying or working, you'll need a national visa. You'll start by filling out the visa application form. You can download this from the official website of the Spanish consulate in Pakistan. Ensure that you fill it out correctly and completely. Any mistakes can delay your application. Your original passport, which should be valid for at least 3 months beyond your planned stay. A copy of your passport's data page and any previous visas. You'll also need 2 recent passport-sized photos. It's mandatory and should cover up to $30,000 for medical emergencies. You'll also need proof of accommodation, like hotel bookings, or an invitation letter if you're staying with family or friends. And of course, proof of financial means to support yourself during your stay. The Schengen visa fee is currently $80 for adults. Children between 6-12 years pay $40. Kids younger than 6 years are exempt from the fee. National visa fees can vary, so check the consulate's website for the most up-to-date information. Appointments are mandatory and can be booked online through the VFS Global website. On the day of your appointment, bring all your documents and be prepared for an interview. Your application will be processed within 15 working days, but it can take longer during peak travel seasons or for special cases. You can track your application status online. Hooray! Make sure to check all the details on your visa sticker for accuracy. If your visa is denied, don't lose heart. You can appeal the decision or reapply, correcting any issues that led to the denial. Always keep photocopies of your passport, visa, and other important documents. It can save you a lot of hassle in case of emergencies. That's your complete guide to getting a Spain visa from Pakistan. I hope you found this information helpful. If you did, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe for more travel tips. Happy travel!